So this video is about my grade 12 advanced ENI boys. They had this coming. So I was sitting at my teacher's desk, had my laptop out and had the whiteboard going. Of course I could not use the HDMI cable because they've already destroyed it. And it was exam week. It was time for an SBQ. So I said to them, boys, right, next week we're going to do an SBQ. They said, Mister, give us some hints on what's coming in the quiz. I'm going to give you some hints. Why would I do that? They say, Mister, we'll give you shawarma. We'll give you paratha. I was like, give me a Francisco then. They're like, yes, mister, we'll give you 2 Franciscos. I'm like, okay, done. So I went through the practice questions. I picked a random page and I was like, maybe this may or may not come. This question may or may not come. Oh, this might be important. And they're like, oh, thank you. They took notes. I was like, suckers. I actually hadn't even prepared anything. My paper was completely blank. I was just making things up. And then they took it and then they gave me the shawarmas the next day and I was a happy chappy. Big belly. And then they said, Mister, write the formulas on the board for us. Write the formulas. I'm like, I have to have some karak for that. I said, okay, mister, we'll bring you karak. We'll bring you lots of karak. I said, okay, great, bring me some karak. And then they brought me karak the next day when it came to the exam. And to be honest, you get the formula sheet anyway. I was going to give the exams anyway. But I managed to get myself some Francisco and some karak. And I managed to do the exam with them. And I caught 1 or 2 boys cheating, gave them zeros. That was fun. And yeah, that's the end of the story. Sorry, guys.